Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Pulmoclear Syrup. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Forts India Laboratories Private Ltd. Pulmoclear Syrup. Uses. Pulmoclear Syrup is mainly used for the treatment of cough with mucus. It helps clear mucus from the airways and makes breathing easier. Benefits. This syrup loosens thick mucus, reduces its stickiness, and makes it easier to cough out. By doing so, it helps improve breathing and reduces the frequency of coughing. It also provides relief from allergy-related symptoms such as watery eyes, sneezing, runny nose, and throat irritation. Along with this medication, warm water intake, salt water gargles, and steam inhalation with a few drops of eucalyptus oil can further ease symptoms. Side effects. Like all medicines, Pulmoclear Syrup may cause some side effects. These can include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, stomach pain, loss of appetite, constipation, dizziness, headache, rash, hives, drowsiness, tremors, and in rare cases, breathing problems or increased heart rate. If any of these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Pulmoclear Syrup exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Shake the bottle well before use. Measure the dose with the provided measuring cup and take it by mouth. It can be taken with or without food, but it's best to take it at the same time every day. How it works. Pulmoclear Syrup is a combination of 3 medicines: terbutaline, acebrophylline, and guaifenesin. Together, they help relieve cough with mucus by relaxing the airway muscles, thinning the mucus, and making it easier to expel.